Hello everybody, welcome to Nunthana Healthy Thai Food สวัสดีค่ะ I want to show you how to make mixed vegetable sour soup, okay, with chicken. First of all, you should fry the onion. Fry the onion and chili together. Fry the onion and chili. Chili pasta, okay? Chili pasta, fry chili pasta. And this chili pasta. Dry chili, okay? This is the dry chili, also dry chili. Little bit garlic, little bit chili, red chili, custard, chili and red bell chili and dry chili. I have already put in the water and a little bit onion and stir around until it gets smell, and after that I put some hot water, boiled water, okay? After this, put hot water. I put hot water. And after that, here, chicken breast, about 1 kilo. Chicken breast, marinated chicken breast. This. Boil water, okay? About 700 milliliters. Boil water, 700 milliliters, okay? Boil water to make the soup, like soup. Chicken to be cooked. And I put this shrimp pasta, okay, with palm sugar. And this krachai, about 150 gram. Krachai. And this pickle gourami fish. Oh, this okay, like this. Put inside this. So around, mix it. Okay. Mix it. Mix it, okay? Like that. And you put some. After that, this tamarind. I put another pot. I shake the pot, okay? Because it's stronger. Another one is stronger. I put another pot. This stronger. This one stronger. Yes. I shake because this. I put some this tamarind sauce about 300 gram. 300 gram tamarind sauce. Oh yes. 300 gram tamarind sauce. Okay. Because then I will put together because this that pot is smaller. I change to this pot is bigger one. You smell make it this tamarind sauce. I also mix with the meat of tamarind sauce. I like it because it make the soup sour. Okay, and mix it well. Mix it well. Let's put this one. The fish add this the fishes. I will put some this onion about 300 gram onion to make it sweet. Onion, okay? Chop onion. Will add some I will add some this broccoli. Broccoli is this is the hard one of broccoli, okay? Boil together. And this one carrot, about 1 kilo carrot and 100 gram tomato. And I will cook. I will boil it, okay? Until it get boil, I will mix with another pot. Cook. Okay. And I mix. Already cooked. Yes, you know. And cold with the egg and let it boil. Okay? Let it boil. Yes, I will change to another pot. Let's let it boil. Okay, I change to another pot. And this one is already boiled, you know. This one is already cooked. Then I put some more chicken already cooked. You know, this is a coriander root to make it good smell. Chop coriander root. Okay, and after that I put some fish sauce and soya sauce. Soya sauce 1 to 2 tablespoons, okay? And fish sauce also 2 tablespoons. Fish sauce 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Fish sauce 2 tablespoons. And after that, I put some this is okay here. Boil it. Let it boil, okay? Let it boil. This white champignon about 150 gram. in Thailand they call แกงส้ม vegetable mixed vegetable sour soup แกงส้ม okay แกงส้มผักรวม to make it good taste I put so many vegetable and after that you can taste it if you like some more sweet I put already palm sugar 1 palm sugar when it's not enough then put a little bit more honey pour with the lid okay and let it boil another pot is also a boil okay I will put some like this in Thailand they have garampi but I don't have garampi I use iceberg salad okay first of all and this about 500 400 gram bok curry half of bok curry I will put something to put here half of bok curry okay half bok curry and another pot I put some vegetable because it's too big then I put two pots to make it cook and I mix together this one iceberg salad about too small. You mix together like this. Okay, finish. Once finished and then I cover. I will also close turn off the heat. Okay. I have already tasted it's good taste. Put on the top. Chicken. This is a chicken, yes. Okay. Can you see it? Okay. Then I think you finish sour soup. Mixed vegetable sour soup. Okay, you can eat it with rice or with bread if you like. Okay, or you can put some more lemon sauce or lemon juice. Yeah. Put some more lemon juice. Okay, if you like to make it sour. Some more lemon juice. Okay. Yeah, like this lemon juice. Okay. Okay, then enjoy your eating. See you next clip. Okay. Please like and share for me and subscribe for me, okay? If you, thank you very much for your watching. Okay, I will close the heat. This heat. I will close the heat. Okay. See you next clip.